Welcome, in front of me I have REALME Narzo 10, and today I will show you how we can check the number of apps opened each day. So at first you have to go for the settings, and right now you have to scroll down and find the Digital Wellbeing. Then tap on the unlocks, and as you can see, when we are here we have to be sure that we are on the times opened. And when you scroll down here, you can find how many times we open it each app. So as you can see, settings, I open it 310 times because I'm already shooting the tutorial video for you. So yeah, that's how it looks. Of course, you can go back 2 weeks ago and check how it will be in the other days. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.